Hey everyone, it's Ann Mowbray, and can you believe it? Tax season is back for 2025. Don't worry, I'm here to make it less taxing, promise. This year we're diving deep into key updates, uncovering hidden gems in the tax code, and making sure you squeeze every penny out of your refund. We're talking free filing options because who doesn't love free? Plus, we'll tackle those tricky situations like selling your home and how it affects your taxes. And hold on tight because I've got the inside scoop on credits and benefits that could put some serious cash back in your pocket. So grab your coffee, tea, or maybe something a little stronger. I won't judge, because we're about to conquer those taxes together. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these juicy tax tips. Let's do this. Alright, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite word, free. Filing your taxes doesn't have to drain your bank account. In fact, it might not cost you a dime. First up, we have the Community Volunteer Income Tax Program, or CVITP for short. This program is a godsend for those with modest incomes and simple tax situations. Think of it as a friendly helping hand from the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA itself. They have volunteers across the country ready to guide you through the process. But wait, there's more. If you prefer the convenience of online filing, platforms like Wealth Simple Tax, TurboTax Free, and H&R Block Free have got your back. They offer free filing for simple tax returns, making it easier than ever to get those taxes done without breaking the bank. Now I know what you're thinking, what's the catch? Honestly, for many of you, there isn't one. These free options are designed to make tax filing accessible to everyone. Of course, there are eligibility requirements, so be sure to check the details on the CRA website or the online platform you choose. Don't let the fear of costly tax preparation fees hold you back. Take advantage of these free resources and keep more of your hard-earned money. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing your options is the first step towards tax season success. And hey, if you find yourself needing a little extra help, don't hesitate to reach out to a tax professional. Sometimes having an expert in your corner can make all the difference. Now let's move on to another important topic that might apply to some of you selling your home. Stay tuned. Okay, homeowners, this one's for you. Did you sell your home in 2024? Even if it was your primary residence, listen up. Reporting the sale on your tax return is non-negotiable. I know, paperwork can be a real drag, but trust me, this is important. Failing to report the sale could land you in hot water with the CRA, and nobody wants that. The good news is, if you sold your primary residence, you can likely avoid paying capital gains tax thanks to the principal residence exemption. This little gem in the tax code is a lifesaver, but you have to claim it properly. Make sure you have all your ducks in a row: the purchase date, selling price, and any expenses related to the sale. Having these details handy will make the reporting process a breeze. Now, I know navigating the world of real estate and taxes can feel overwhelming. If you're feeling lost or unsure about any aspect of reporting your home sale, don't hesitate to reach out to a tax professional. They can guide you through the process and ensure you're maximizing your deductions and minimizing your tax liability. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to taxes, a little knowledge can go a long way in saving you money and headaches down the road. Up next, we're diving into the Climate Action Incentive Payment. Calling all residents of Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and Ontario, have I got some good news for you. The Climate Action Incentive Payment, or CAIP, is back to put some extra cash in your pocket. Now I know what you're thinking. Another government program, more paperwork, right? Wrong. This time it's easier than ever. No need to apply, no hoops to jump through. Just file your 2024 tax return on time and the CRA will take care of the rest. That's right, folks, it's practically free money. The CAIP is designed to help offset the cost of federal pollution pricing. Think of it as a little thank you for doing your part to combat climate change. The amount you receive will depend on your province of residence and family size. But hey, every little bit helps, right? So sit back, relax, file those taxes, and let the KIP roll in. Just remember, this payment is taxable income, but don't let that scare you off. It's a small price to pay for some extra cash in your pocket. Speaking of extra cash, let's move on to another program that could benefit families, the Canada Child Benefit. Stay tuned to learn more. Calling all parents and guardians. If you have children under the age of 18, this chapter is for you. We're talking about the Canada Child Benefit, or CCB for short, and how to make sure you're getting the most out of it. The CCB is a monthly payment designed to help with the cost of raising children. It's a lifesaver for many families, and the best part is it's tax-free. That's right, you get to keep every penny. But here's the catch. The amount you receive is based on your income. So, if your income changed in 2024, it's crucial to update your information with the CRA. This ensures that you receive the correct CCB payments for the 2025 benefit year. Don't wait until the last minute. Updating your information is quick and easy. You can do it online through the CRA My Account portal, by mail, or by phone. Trust me, it's a lot less hassle than trying to sort out payment errors later on. Remember, every little bit counts, especially when it comes to raising a family. So, take a few minutes to update your CCB information and ensure you're receiving the financial support you deserve. Now that we've covered the CCB, let's move on to some savvy saving strategies that can help you reduce your tax bill and build a brighter financial future. Stay tuned. Alright, savvy savers, this chapter is for you. We're talking about two powerful tools that can help you build wealth and save on taxes: the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP, and the Tax-Free Savings Account, or TFSA. Let's start with the RRSP. This beauty allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, which means you get a sweet tax deduction right off the bat. Plus, your investments grow tax-sheltered, so you're not paying taxes on your earnings until you withdraw them in retirement. Remember that March 1st, 2025 deadline I mentioned earlier? That's the last day to contribute to your RRSP for the 2024 tax year. Don't miss out on this opportunity to lower your taxable income and boost your retirement savings. Now let's talk about the TFSA. This gem allows you to contribute after-tax dollars, but here's the kicker: your investments grow tax-free, and you don't pay taxes on withdrawals either. It's like a financial unicorn. For 2025, the TFSA contribution limit is $7,000. That brings the total lifetime contribution limit to a whopping $95,000. Whether you're saving for a down payment, a dream vacation, or just a rainy day, the TFSA is a fantastic option. Remember, maximizing your RRSP and TFSA contributions is like giving your future self a financial high five. So, make a plan, automate your contributions, and watch your savings grow. But wait, there's more. We're not done maximizing those tax savings just yet. Stay tuned for the final chapter where we uncover even more tax credits you can claim this year. Alright, tax-saving superstars, we're in the final stretch. Let's finish strong by diving into even more tax credits that can put money back in your pocket. First up, we have the Donations and Political Contributions credit. If you made any charitable donations or contributed to political parties in 2024, you could be eligible for a nice little tax break. Every bit counts, right? Next, we have some love for our amazing educators. The tax credit for teachers allows eligible educators to claim a 25% refundable credit on up to $1,000 of eligible teaching supplies. That's right, you can get some money back for all those pens, pencils, and construction paper. Now let's talk about health and medical expenses. This credit covers a wide range of eligible expenses, including prescription drugs, dental care, and even certain travel costs for medical treatments. Keep those receipts handy, folks. If you have celiac disease, listen up. The gluten-free food deduction allows you to claim the cost difference between gluten-free products and regular food. It's a small victory, but every little bit helps, right? Finally, we have some lesser-known credits that could apply to you. Certificate fees and wigs. Certain professional certification fees and medical wigs for those experiencing hair loss due to a medical condition are also eligible for tax deductions. Remember, these are just a few of the many tax credits available. Be sure to explore all your options and claim everything you're entitled to. After all, it's your money. And there you have it, folks. We've covered a ton of ground today, from free filing options to maximizing your RRSP and TFSA contributions. Remember, tax season doesn't have to be scary. With a little knowledge and preparation, you can conquer those taxes and maybe even score a sweet refund. Don't forget to claim every credit and deduction you're eligible for. Every dollar counts. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, stay savvy, stay informed, and keep rocking those finances. That's a wrap on this year's tax updates and tips. Make sure to file your return early, claim every credit you qualify for, and don't leave money on the table. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.